You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where is the black? Where is the yellow? Where is the blue? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the green? Where is the red? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.